Namaskar, my name is Surendra Kumar. I am from Mamchen Temple Lifting and Restoration. This is the heritage temple of Tamil Nadu. So this temple is nearly 800 years old. So right now we are 5 feet 9 inches lifting is completed. So after the lifting we are using stones only. You see this is totally black stone base. We are not using any bricks at all for the temple lifting. So this totally stone for the foundation. What is the main point of the Mamchen temple lifting and restoration? My grandfather is the inventor of building lifting technique. We have a patent and copyright of this building lifting technique. So this temple, that is a new floor level. So before the lifting, that is the floor level, that floor level. So nearly 5 feet we are digging. 5 feet we are digging for the found this base of the temple. This is the base of the. This is the root of the temple, main root. So below this part only debris, small debris, limon mortar, jaggery and whatever they are using in the old temple lifting temple construction technique. There is a small debris. So this is the base part of the temple. We are not cutting from the that part. We are lifting all the temple in Tamil Nadu from the base part only, from the base. So I am also telling to the everyone, to the temple authority, if anybody want to temple lifting, so they are not cutting from the above, from the floor level. First of all we have to find out the base level of the temple. Where is the base of the temple? There we have to fix the jacks, then we can lifting the temple. So our structure will be safe in the future also. So we are not working for the lifting duration only, we are working for the future. What is the future of the temple after lifting, after 100 years, after 200 years, after our life? So this temple will be survive after another 1,000 years. So that's why we are using stones only, and our temple structure is totally same. We are not using from the middle of the wall, from the above the floor level. So we are digging 5 feet depth, then we are fixing jacks in the bottom of the foundation. So nearly 4 months we are working in the foundation only, for the foundation strengthening. Many person are finish the lifting work in the 2 months, maximum 1 month, but we are not doing like that. We are totally working in the foundation 4 months in the foundation strengthening only. After the checking our structural engineer, foundation is very good, pakka, then we are start the lifting. So in the bottom we are putting totally concrete base, double mat, 16 mm Tata steel rod with 16 inches height of the raft. Totally raft we are construction in the all the area in the Shivan temple, Amber temple, in stone mandapam. Totally we are using only. So we are using totally stone. So my telling to, we can using the lifting of the full structure of the building. We don't cut from the middle part. So that is the very unique part of the Mamchen temple lifting and restoration. So we are the inventor of building lifting technique. So we are lifting from the bottom only. We are never cutting from the middle of the wall. If we are cutting middle of the wall, if we are fixing jacks here, so this is not suitable for the structure. Structure will be totally damaged. So all the many people are doing like that only. They are not digging in the flooring, not digging in the foundation. They are fixing jacks above the floor only and lifting. So many person are, they are not the building lifting only, temple lifting only. For Mamchen temple lifting methodology, we are digging 5 foot depth. This is 4 feet wall only. You see, we are first digging, found the wall 4 feet only. After that 3 feet we are going to down. So totally 8 feet we are digging for the restore this heritage temple. Then only we are restore this heritage temple. So if we are also doing like that, we are fixing jacks here only. Many person are told us, you why are you can lifting from the that area only? But we say no. We have to save our temple structure. We don't cutting from the middle of the wall. We are going to the base level. Every building, every temple, we are not cutting from the middle of the wall. That's a weakness for the structure. So that's why we are lifting from the base level only. So we have to lifting our temple from the base level. So our structure will be totally safe. Our structure totally from Gopuram to and Adhar. This is temple Adhar. So this is totally safe. This is the, you see, this is the black stone. So this is the last point of the temple. So below this is a total small like this debris only, debris limon mortar. So the base level of the temple. So you are lifting temple from the base. You are not lifting, not cutting from the middle part of the temple. So what we had and main thing is we are using for the temple lifting. We are using stones only. We are not using any bricks at all. We are using stones only. That's why our temple will be survive another 1,000 years, 2,000 years. So that's why. Thank you.